Namagulat ka naman, Director. Nakabalik po ang kada umaga, amiga. I'm sure natatandaan mo yung iilang mga guests natin. Actually, ang dami na rin nating na-guest na mga dito, kada na winners ng World Championship of the Performing Arts o WCOP.
Oh yeah, maraming WCOP winners and na dumaan dito sa kada umaga. At marami na rin tayong guests na talagang magaling kumanta. At talaga naman nakakabilib ang galing ng Pinoy pagdating sa performing arts.
Oh yes, pero alam mo ba, may trivia.
Wow naman. Punong-puno ka today, I'm learning a lot.
Ang trivia, alam niyo ba mga kada, Pinoy rin po ang kauna-unahang nag-champion sa international competition na yan.
Wow. Yan ang hindi ko alam.
Ngayon alam mo na.
Pero alam mo na yan, ang Pinay heart ko, biglang na-proud na. Mga kada, syempre.
Yes. At simula nang siya ay manalo, nagtuloy-tuloy na po ang kanyang career sa music industry bilang isa sa pinakahinahangaang OPM artist na ngayon ay nagdiriwang na po ng kanyang 20th anniversary. Kilala mo ito. Ang initial niya ay JM.
Oh yeah, kilala ko yan.
Kilala mo?
Oo, pero teka.
Hindi! Iba yun! Iba yun!
Usay Manalo?
Hindi, iba yun. Kasama namin dati yun. Ito, pero teka, tanungin natin ng ating audience kung kilala nila si JM na sinasabi natin.
Ayan, si Randel. Kilala mo ba si JM?
Kilala ko po yan.
Sino?
Actor yan.
Sino?
Sino?
JM.
Sino nga?
JM na actor. JM De Guzman.
Hindi nga.
JM De Guzman.
Singer nga. Hindi. Randel naman eh. Sino pa?
Tanungin pa natin. Thank you, Randel. Si Mami.
Kilala ko po yan.
Singer.
JM.
Si JM na singer ay si Jose Marichan.
Hi!
Tama naman po na singer,
well,
pero
JM yun eh.
mas bata pa po. Hindi po natin ka-edad, Mami Daluhati.
May isa pa ang gusto sumagot.
May isa pa, Director. Sino? Isa pa.
May isa pa.
Sino po? Yes po.
Nagtataas ng kamay.
Sino
Bigyan natin ng
JM? Sino
microphone.
JM po yun?
Madela.
Sino po?
Jed Madela.
Ano po yun? Pakilakas?
Jed Madela!
Ay! Gulat naman ako!
Jen Madela!
Jen Madela! Jen Madela!
Sit here alone, I close my eyes. All alone whispers in the dark. On the ground waiting for a hand, but since it is impossible to stand, I will stand up, open up my eyes and find the light. Somehow find a way to get through it all. Open up my eyes and find the light. I just have to believe, so tell me get up, 'cause you're strong. I will stand up and will make them see I'm more than what they think of me. When the world has turned their back on me, I will fly. They will never bring me, they will never bring me down. Oh, 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 say whatever what you wanna say. Do whatever what you wanna do. There's nothing they can take away from me. No, as long as I know that my heart is true, I will stand up and will make them see I'm more than what they think of me. When the world has turned their back on me, I will fly. They will never bring me, they will never bring me down. Come on! Sticks and stones, they break my bones, but words, they never hurt me. I may bleed and I may bruise, but I'll come out strong. Just you wait and see. Slap my face and hit me harder. Come
Hello! Good morning!
Good morning!
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta mo dito sa Kada Umaga.
Thank you for having me. Wow.
Yes,
It's so nice to be back.
Yes,
So nice to be
yes,
back.
to be back. Nagbalik siya mga Kada in our effort to give you the best and the latest. None other than Mr. Jed Madela. Congratulations!
Thank you.
On
Thank
your
you.
20th anniversary!
Yes, 20 years. Grabe. Parang ang bilis-bilis lang.
Talaga, hindi mo naramdaman?
Hindi ko naramdaman. Nag-e-enjoy.
Oh, that's
Sobrang
good.
saya. Sobrang
Sabi
saya.
nga nila, di ba, if you find something you love to do, you'll never work a day in your life,
That's
di ba?
true. Totoo
Siyempre,
yan.
nagparaphrase na ako. Pero ano yung mga, what was the 2 decades like, Jed?
A lot of learning experiences. Yun talaga. Kasi, never in my wildest dreams kasi naisip ko na talagang maging showbiz, maging singer. Kasi yung singing was only a hobby talaga. And wala talaga. But then, siguro talagang inaano yung path mo, di ba? Piniprepare. At saka kung ano yung para sa'yo, dumarating at dumarating. So, it wasn't an easy journey. Kasi, syempre, ups and downs. Lalong-lalo na sa isang probinsyanong tulad ko, galing akong Iloilo, and then pumunta ako dito ng Manila, and then nabigla ako sa big city. But, I'm just lucky. I'm very blessed na andito ako hanggang ngayon.
Siguro, it would be better kung mailarawan mo ang mga dekada mo dito sa industriya by choosing a song that best describes it. Halimbawa, dun sa first decade ng iyong career. Ano kaya yung pinakamagandang kanta na maglalarawan sa unang dekada mo sa industriya?
Siguro, to dream the impossible dream.
Yes.
To fight the unbeatable foe. To bear with unbearable sorrow. To run where the brave dare not go. Ayun.
Yun! Ano yung pinaka-intense na line doon? Yung to dream the impossible
Yes, to
dream
reach
talaga.
the unreachable star. Ayan. To reach the unreachable star.
Ano yung pinaka-star na akala mo ay unreachable pero na-reach mo rin?
Siguro yung umabot ng 20 years. Kasi dati, akala ko hobby-hobby lang. And after a few years, move on to the next chapter. Pero I moved on to the next chapter, pero dito pa rin. Dito pa rin sa showbiz, sa pagkanta, sa pag-perform on stage. And what's nice about this journey is, at this point, parang gusto ko nang mag-give back. Kumbaga, mag-give back.
Akala ko retire. Wag naman.
Ay, wag naman.
Don't rob us of that, Jed,
Thank you.
please. How about your second decade naman sa industriya? Anong pinakamagandang kanta para sa pangalawang dekada mo na?
Eto medyo dramatic ng konti.
Ay, gusto namin yan.
They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. Ayun. So it's like it's a song for people around me na akala nila, Jed Madela, grabe, ang tagal na niya sa industriya. Pero it's not an easy task. It's not an easy job. Ang daming expectations. And at the end of the day, tao pa din na nasasaktan, na nadadapa din. But I am just, again, so blessed that I am surrounded by people na hanggang ngayon, from year number 1 or day 1, andito pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. Iilan lang yan sila, iilan lang, pero totoong tao.
Meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan?
Yung mom ko, my mom who's here right now, my mom is here.
Oh,
and,
Mommy! Thank you for being here!
Yun talaga ang isang example ng nanay na unconditional. Unconditional, regardless of what's happening. You will never hear anything bad from her. She will always tell me na, just do good. Yun lang. Hayaan mo ng ibang tao mag-react sa mga bagay-bagay. But ikaw, just continue to do what we taught you, the values that we taught you when you were still a kid. And yun talagang pinangangalagaan ko hanggang ngayon. To be humble, to be grateful, and to be sincere sa mga tao. sa paligid ko.
Pwede ka ba mag-drop ng mga ilang halimbawa sa mga challenges na kinailangan mong i-overcome through the years?
Siguro sa showbiz, like ang daming talented ng mga artists, but there were times that I would question myself, I would doubt myself na gusto pa ba nila ako? Yung mga ganon, gusto pa ba nila akong pakinggan? Kasi parang hindi na ako ini-invite sa mga ganito, sa mga ganyan. And I think it also happens with anyone. So, yun, ang daming questions na gusto ko na lang, sige na, tama na, next na lang, hanap na ako ng ibang gagawin. But again, there were people like my mom and my friends, my supporters na, Jed, kailangan ka namin. And I hear stories from these people na, Jed, you know what? Your songs saved us. Your songs helped me through college. Your songs helped me through trials sa pamilya namin. And yun ang mga importante talaga. Yun yung mga pinaka-award ko sa mga ginagawa ko sa industriya.
Ang ganda. Sometimes talaga, nagre-radiate when you're just doing you.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
And not having to people please.
Yes. Ayun din ang isang problema sa akin kasi I really want to please everyone as much as I can. But to the
mahirap
point
yan.
na I already forget myself. I already forget the people who matter most, which is like my mom, my dad, my siblings, mga tao sa paligid ko na in good times and in bad, hindi nila ako iniwan. So that's one of my goals now in this new chapter of my life, to give time sa sarili ko at time sa mga tao who really matter.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Pia Guanyo Mago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!